Hello guys. Today subject is how to control your fear from the market. Understand that you will be always scared of the market if you don't know the basics of trading. What I mean with the basics is that you have no idea about the general um, basics of trading. This includes strategies and techniques. So the problem is that when you don't know what will happen to you, you just try. And this is called hit and miss strategies. Most of the beginners they do. Okay? And after they lose one trade or two or three or whatever trade they lose, because they are beginners, they don't know how to buy or how to sell. They have no idea about the market mood or the industry or sector mood. They don't know nothing about that. They don't know even to check the earnings or to check what's going on to this sector. Maybe this sector is going down for a long time and these guys are just going to buy. So they lose. When you lose money, many times, many trades, you want to revenge instead of trying to stop your trading or just expose little of your money until you understand the market. So a lot of people, what they do the opposite. It means they go and they buy more. As the other guys told me before, you buy a stock, it goes against you, you are losing money. So instead of exiting the trade because you lost money, now the other people, they buy more. And they say if we buy more, we don't lose more. This is not true, because the more your position is big, the more you lose money if the stock continues to go down. And maybe this company that you are following, maybe it's going to bankrupt. But understand, they will never tell you in the media that the company will go bankrupt until it is bankrupt. When it is bankrupt, all your money is gone. So this fear of the market has a lot of psychological reasons. So my job is to show you how not to fear the market by not involving yourself a lot in the market. Okay? Since February, the first 2 weeks of February, we have begun what we call the correction in the market. The correction is a mood in the market where stocks are going up and down and they don't show any trend. Okay? So no trend. If you are, for example, a swing trader or short-term trader, what we call short-term trader, if there is no trend, there is no money. Okay? You need time to make money. You are not a day trader. For day trading, it's another thing. Now, let's go back to our subject. You fear the market. It's just because you have no idea how this market works. You buy a stock, it goes down. You buy a put, and then the stock goes up and you lose your money. You buy a call, and then the stock goes down and your call is worthless. Okay? So to stop worrying about this market, you should not expose yourself too much to the market until we see a trend, a bull or a bear in the market. Right now, it is so difficult to trade, especially short-term trading and swing trading. There are a few stocks that are trending, but they are few in the market. You should search a lot to find them. Okay. You should do it daily. If you find stocks that do the opposite of the market, it means if the market is going down, they are going up for a long time. These are the stocks that maybe will be a bargain to buy. There are more things to do in order not to be scared of the market. Is that you learn more strategies, you don't do revenge trading. It means you just want, because you lost money in the market, you want to revenge, to buy more, to buy more, to buy more stocks, and then wherever you buy, it's a failure, and then your losses accumulate. And this makes you more scared of the market than ever. So controlling yourself and being disciplined is the most important thing. Although when you control yourself, it has nothing to do with the trading, with your techniques, with your capabilities, and your weakness or your strength. It has nothing to do with that. It has to do with yourself against the market. The market is neutral. It's not a human that you should love or hate. It's just a market. It's neutral. And the prices that you see in stocks are the opinion of the majority of the people. If the majority of the traders are shorting a stock, for example, they are shorting it, it's going down. This is their opinion. You should follow them. You should never be against them, because it's the majority. It's like democracy. Okay? Democracy where the majority rule. They have the laws, the things that it is in their favor, not in the other favor of the other parties, since we are now in the elections. Okay? So the best way is to be with the winner. I'm speaking here about stocks, okay? I'm not speaking about politics, because politics is another thing. So you should be with the winner in the stock market. And those who do day trading, and they trade a lot, they understand that. They begin to short a stock for a few minutes, it's going down, then it stops and going up. So they cover their short and they begin to go long. It means you should act. You should adapt to the situation of the market. You are not going with one direction and you never change it. If you do that, you will have a real problem and you will be so scared of the market as the people are now. They hold for the stocks. Stocks are going down for a long time and they begin to lose 5%, 10%, 15, 20, 30, 50. Someone has bought, I think, a stock about $100. Now it's 25 and he sent me an email. Oh, Karim, what should I do? Should I stay? Man, you have lost 75% of your money because of this idea of hope and led them to think that a failure can be a success in one stock, and they continue with that thing. So in order not to be scared of the market, not to fear the market, understand that the market is neutral. It's not against you. When you buy a stock and the stock goes down and you lose money, it's not that the stock is against you or someone is against you or your broker is against you. As someone told me, oh, whenever I buy a stock, my broker, the stock goes down. I say, what's the relation with your broker with your stock? He has no control of the stock. The stock is in the exchange. And who controls it? It's the people who buy, like you, like me, like anybody else. If it goes up, you will be making money, whatever who you are. But if the market is against you, you will lose money. There is no way out to make money where the market is against you in the same position. Okay? So stop fearing the market. Stop being scared of the market. If you are, for example, in these days or these weeks or these months, you are losing money, so try to limit your trading to little. Let's say, for example, you have $10,000. Just use 1,000 or 2,000. It means, let's say, 20% of your money. Just use it for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, until you see that the market is beginning to move. Now, if there are stocks that you see that they are going down, okay, you can buy a put option and you follow them. Okay, since the whole market is going down, and most of the stocks, I say most of them, not all, so it's a very good thing to follow the market, follow certain stocks, and understand that all the people are scared of the market since February until now. Why they are scared? Because no trend has shown up. It means we are still in the correction. Maybe after this elections, something will come up, either a bull market or a bear market. You will see it in the chart, and you will begin to feel the market afterwards. But right now, it's still, there is no sign. It's always going up and going down. Okay? And to control more yourself, I'm not always speaking about stop loss or money management. No, it is psychological. Psychological, it means you should control your feelings and don't make your feelings interfere with your business. You know, stocks, is just a vehicle to make money. Okay? So it's not a big deal. It's not a person that you should love or you should hate. In the market, it is just neutral. All the prices that you see up and down, it is what the people think. But believe it or not, if the market decide, it means if all, I'm not saying all the people, but almost all the people see that it is a bull market, you will see that the market, the major indexes begin to go up very quickly and to make their bull market. Now, if most all the traders or investors think that the market is not doing that good this year, and a lot of people, they sell, they go to buy bonds, they buy other things, or they just go and day trade and so on, because we have a lot of opportunities right now in day trading than in swing trading because of the volatility of the stocks. Stocks are moving up and down each day. So this is the opportunity to try day trading and just to try. You can use my chart that I'm using always. You see it online. Free stock chart. There is a training. You can put a portfolio, and each morning, if you have time, you want to do day trading. In the morning, you come up with a chart, and then you see stocks, news, and the chart has a news also, and you can just do a bargain and you begin to trade. Now this is virtual. It means you don't need to put money. Okay, and this will help you have confidence in yourself and your capabilities of making money from day trading or from something else. Okay, especially day trading. Day trading has nothing to do with the market of the mood of the market. Okay, so day trading is like you do a day job. Okay, you in the morning you try to see if there is any news, companies that they have bad news, bad earnings, and or some other kind of news, and then you just see if it is true. You will see it in the price, and the price is going down, and then you can short it. If there are good news, you see those companies, you search them, and you put 4 or 5 or 6 each day, and then you follow in the morning 9:30. If the stock is going up, it's an opportunity to go long. Trading is so simple in basics, but the people, because they don't know, they try to use indicators, a lot of stuff. Okay, one time I see a chart online, like on YouTube. It's full of clouds, of lines, of red, green, yellow. I don't understand what these people. It's not anymore a chart. It's like a painting. Okay, it is someone who is painting. So he thinks that when he put a lot of indicators, he will make money like that. No, indicators are just lagging indicators, lagging price that will give you no future. But if you use certain techniques, you just see the direction of the day. This is the major thing about day trading. So you don't be scared. So in order not to be scared, you should try always to practice. This is a major thing in trading. Swing trading, you should practice. Practice makes you understand a lot of things that no one will teach you. Okay? Because most of the people who teach, like me, for example, I will give you the basics. Other things you will discover by yourselves, because there are a lot of things that come only one time. Okay? Let's say what happened to Facebook or Twitter before, when they have a very large gap down, but for 2 or 3 or 4 hours, Facebook and Twitter was going down. Okay? So this is an opportunity to sell short and to make money. So it doesn't come each 3 months or each year or 2 years. No, it comes only once. So don't expect that each earning news you will find the same thing. You don't. That's why news comes on the same day. The same thing for the same stocks. There are some stocks that they go bankrupt. It means companies they get erased from the face of economy. Okay, so everything is new in stock market. A lot of companies, they go to stock market IPOs, and everything is new. So the most important thing to get rid of this fear is just to understand how stocks work, how they go up, how they go down. That's what you need. And then when you have your confidence, you practice a lot, you will be a trader that doesn't fear anything, and you know what you are doing, and then you can make money. Making money is when you understand. You don't understand, you will never make money. You can make money, for example, you buy just a stock. Just you find a stock, you buy it, you see that you make money, you think that you understand trading, but after a few other stocks, you will lose money. So this shows you that you don't understand. The other one is just a pure luck. That's why one of the guys one time, he bought a stock, like maybe $1 or something, $1,000. And then maybe next day, it goes to $2. It means 100% of his money. It means he has 1,000. Next day, he has 2,000. He was so happy with that he sent me an email, and he's asking, if I take your strategies, how much money I make? As if my strategies are a machine that produces money. I say you are wrong. What you did is just a pure luck. You will lose all your money in few other trades, and it's true. After a few months, he lost all his money trying. Okay, so you get confidence when you understand and you practice. It's not just a pure luck when you buy a stock here and there and you make money and you think that you understood the market. The market needs time, needs practice, and then when you are confident, you can make money. Thank you very much. And since we are in the elections, be careful. Today is Tuesday. I think the elections has not finished yet. The results tomorrow, maybe we will see everything, and then we will see the market. Does it go continue to go up or continue to go down according to elections? We will see that in this week, next week, and the other weeks, and we can take conclusions afterwards. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.